Pain, both physical and emotional, is an inevitable part of the human experience, leaving us feeling helpless and discouraged. We can transcend its limitations and use it as a catalyst for personal development. In this video, we will explore how pain can be transformed into a driving force, propelling us forward to achieve greatness in our lives. Pain, that hurts us in many forms, like heartbreak, where love turns to sorrow, leaving an ache in the chest. Loneliness, where the absence of companionship weighs heavily on the soul. Betrayal, trust broken and shattered, leaving behind wounds. Rejection, feeling inadequate and unworthy, longing for acceptance and belonging. Grief, the profound sorrow and anguish that follows the loss of a loved one. Guilt, a heavy burden of remorse and self-blame. Humiliation, wounded by the eyes of others. Failure, the crushing weight of unmet expectations, disappointment in oneself. Trauma, haunting memories and flashbacks. Through emotions, pain becomes a profound and multidimensional experience, reminding us of our capacity to feel deeply and teaching us the transformative power of healing and resilience. Acknowledge and embrace pain. The first step towards utilizing pain as a motivator is to acknowledge and embrace it. Rather than avoiding or suppressing pain, we should allow ourselves to fully experience it. Pain is a signal that something in our lives needs attention. By facing it head-on, we can gain valuable insights into our own weaknesses, limitations, and areas for growth. Fueling resilience through pain. Pain has the remarkable ability to cultivate resilience within us. When we encounter challenging situations, the discomfort we experience can strengthen our resolve to overcome obstacles. Pain forces us to tap into our inner reserves of strength and resilience, pushing us beyond our perceived limitations. By channeling our pain into determination, we become more resilient and better equipped to handle future difficulties. It is through adversity that we learn to adapt, develop new coping mechanisms, and ultimately grow stronger. Transforming pain into motivation. Pain can serve as a powerful motivator. When we experience pain, we become acutely aware of the aspects of our lives that are unsatisfying or unfulfilling. This awareness propels us to seek change and take action. Pain can ignite a burning desire within us to transform our circumstances, relationships, or personal well-being. It becomes a driving force, urging us to push past our comfort zones and pursue our goals with unwavering determination. Pain becomes the catalyst for personal growth, enabling us to strive for excellence and achieve greatness. By understanding and using our pain, we can create a ripple effect of kindness and compassion, ultimately making a positive impact in the lives of others. Pain becomes a catalyst for fostering greater empathy and building meaningful connections within our communities.